Hey everybody, this is Kevin at Woodcraft here with the Wood River 10-inch diamond stone. This is a two-sided stone with 400 grit on one side and 1200 grit on the other. Our diamond stones are made by embedding man-made diamonds into a metal sheet and then affixing that sheet to a polymer base. Diamonds are much harder than other materials found in sharpening stones, so they'll cut much faster and last a lot longer. Our stone is 10 inches long and 2 3/4 inches wide, so you can sharpen even the big blades found on our 5.5 and number 7 planes. This diamond stone is great for most of the work, but we do recommend finishing on something a little bit finer like this 6,000 grit ceramic stone. If you're not comfortable with sharpening by hand, there are plenty of guides out there like this Veritas Mark II that can help set the exact angle. Unlike the softer material found in natural stones, the diamond stones won't dish over time, so they won't need flattened. In fact, you can even use your diamond stone to flatten your other water and oil stones. These can be used dry, but it's recommended to use something like the Trend Diamond Abrasive Lapping Fluid that'll help carry the swarf away and keep your stone working much better and lasting a lot longer. To pick one of these up for yourself, visit your local Woodcraft store or head online to woodcraft.com.